Hi, I'm Traci Copeland, and this is The Right Way with Well+Good. So today I'm going to take you through the right way to do a headstand, but first I'm going to take you through the wrong way. So here are a few things that I see happening in a headstand. So people tend to elbow their elbows out to the side, put their head on the ground, and then instead of using core strength, they tend to just kick their leg off of the ground and expect their strength to allow them to hold there. It's not the proper way to hold a headstand, and you don't have the support in your elbows to help you maintain proper alignment. So now let me show you the right way to get into a headstand. You want to make sure that you have your fingers interlaced like this, coming to the top of your mat. You want to keep your elbows kind of in, making sure that they kind of support your head, kind of hugging around your head, okay? Then coming onto the ball of your feet. Once you feel nice and stable here, once you feel the pressure in your head, you want to press down with your forearms so you don't have all that weight in your head. You should feel this in your arms more than anything. Then I'm going to lift one leg off the ground. Notice how I lift one leg. I'm not kicking, I'm not jerking, I'm not using momentum. I'm going to use the strength of my core to slowly lift me up. So whenever you get into a headstand, it should never feel forced. It should feel like you're naturally getting upside down with ease and control. And the same way that you went up is the exact same way that you want to come down, with ease and control, just like every other yoga pose that you do, okay? So that was the right way to get into a headstand. You want more right ways? Subscribe to Well+Good right now.